Hi everyone, this is Devins Financial Weekly Stock Analysis Newsletter. Today is January 19th, 2013. Our newsletter is for your informational purpose only. We're not responsible for your gains and losses. Let's take a look at the current market trend and our strategy. US stock market is in the uptrend. China stock is also in the uptrend. My current plan is long the strong sector ETFs such as XPP, that's 2 times of China's 25 big companies ETF. MIDU is a 3 times US mid cap index ETF. I also keep holding the long position in some strong stocks such as ARM Holdings. Your stock market index charts. Let's take a look at the daily chart of the major indices. Nasdaq daily chart. Nasdaq has gapped up after the new year, and the uptrend is intact. Gold index daily chart. Gold is in the downtrend. Right now, it hits the resistance at around 50-day moving average. Mid cap index weekly chart. Mid cap, as I shared with you before, has broke out above the 2 years high, so it's in the uptrend. Is a bullish. Small cap index weekly chart. Small cap did the same. It also broke out above the 2 years resistance. Silver index. Silver is in a downtrend, and just like gold, it's right now sitting below the 50-day moving average. SP 500 index, it just broke out the previous high of the last year, so it's in the uptrend. Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index. Shanghai, the China stock market reversed the 2 years downtrend last end of last year, around December timeframe. It made the reversal and it's going up. Right now, this uptrend is still very strong. US dollar index. US dollar is in a long-term downtrend. And it might rebound. Short-term may have seen the short-term bottom. It may rebound a little bit from here. Looks like it's going to do that, but it's still in a downtrend long-term. The crude oil index. Crude oil has reversed the downtrend. Right now it's in the uptrend. GDX, this is a gold mining stock index. This is in a long trend, it's in a downtrend. And I'm watching see if it can reverse the downtrend. Right now, it hasn't done that yet. It's still in a downtrend. IYR, US real estate ETF, it's in a very strong uptrend. XLE is an energy ETF. It's also in a strong uptrend. XLF is a financial stock ETF in a very strong uptrend. It gap up here and keep going up. XME is a metals and mining ETF. It may have bottomed out. It's making a base, but looks like it has seen the bottom. I like to share with you about the rules in stock trading. First of all, focus on the selection of the strong fundamental stocks. And last week I shared with you about the breakout pivotal point. It's defined as stock breakout from a base with a 40% higher than the annual average volume. And we must learn how to read the chart and be able to identify the base and identify the breakout. And the buy rule is only buy a stock within the buy range. The buy range is 5% above the breakout pivotal. So if it's within the 5% of breakout pivotal point, only buy at that price. If a stock has a run up above more than 5% of the breakout pivotal, don't buy. It is too high. And target price is set as a 20 to 25% higher than the breakout pivotal point. That's a price when we should sell for profit. An exception is if a stock ran up 20% in less than 3 weeks after breakout, we should hold that stock for at least 8 weeks. The reason is this might be a star winner, a very, very strong stocks. It might be a stock that has a potential to multiply. And the stop loss price is 7 to 8% below the breakout pivotal point. That's a price we must take a loss, and we have to take that loss quickly. I'd like to share with you about currently as a very strong sector. It's a 3D printing. It's a very hot technology. There are three stocks have very strong fundamental and technical. One is DDD, SSYS, and PRLB. Let's take a look and this is a service provided by IBD, and I subscribe to this leaderboard service. And you can look at the fundamental and technical together for the strong stocks. DDD fundamental is very strong. Look at all these green lights. Those are the category that meets the IBD's fundamental requirement, such as last 3 quarter average earning per share growth is 55%, and the last quarter earning per share is 78%. That's a very strong fundamental. And all these growth criteria and annual earning and sales and price and volume, supply and demand, those are the institution has an increase holding in this stock. All these criteria has met. It's all in the green light. So this is a very strong, DDD is a very strong fundamental stock. And look at the chart. Last year it made a base, the first stage base, and ran up and then made another base. And right now it's in the third stage base. So this stock has gone up a lot. Right now we don't have a buy point. Let's look at the SSYS. It's another 3D printing stocks. Also mostly green light. Fundamental is also very strong. Last year it made a cup with a handle base. And then this year made another cup with a handle base. Right now it's extended. This is a weekly chart. Third stock I like to share with you is a PRLB. This is a new IPO stock. Last year it went IPO. It just recently, this week, broke out the flat base. Fundamental is mostly strong. It's most category are green light, so it's also very strong. I like to take a look at the daily chart, and that this is a candlestick daily chart. It give you some more details. And DDD breakout is here. Breakout pivotal is 44.9. 5% buy range. If it's within 47.15, it's within the buy range. Target price 53.88 and 8% stop loss is a 41.31. So if you buy here, you already get stopped out. However, after it gets stopped out, it went back up again. So that's another buy opportunity. You may still buy back if you get stopped out. And then if you bought around this range, the stock went up and you should already take in profit around 43.88. So this stock right now has no buy point. It's very extended. And SSYS is another stock made a cup with a handle base. Breakout is 69.8, 69.18. It's a 10 cents above the handle's high. So 5% buy range is 72.64. 20% target price is 83.02. So if you bought it around this range, you are not stopped out because stop out price is 63.65. So you're still holding it and take the profit around 83.02. So you should take profit out of this stock now. This stock right now has no buy point. It's a very extended now. A third stock of the 3D printing is PRLB. This stock has it's giving a buy point last week. It just last week Wednesday it broke out from the flat base. Breakout pivotal is 40.6. Buy range is 42.63. So if it's below 42.63, you can buy. And next week, if it pull back, it may offer a buy opportunity. As of Friday, it's too extended. If you buy this stock, target price is 48.72. Take profit and 20% run up. This is because most stock will correct after it after it goes up 20 to 25% from the breakout. Most stock will correct, except those ones who go up 20% within 3 weeks. Those are very strong stock. You may hold it for a little longer. And then 8% stop loss for PRLB is a 37.35. So if this stock fall below 37.35, you should get out. Right now, another strong stock is still within the buy range is a LinkedIn. We can take a look at LinkedIn. Weekly chart made a 3 cup with a handle based on base. And LinkedIn most, I mean the fundamental, most category is a green light, so it's a strong stock. And look at the daily chart. It just made a cup with a handle about a week ago. Break out from this handle. Right now, it's still within the buy range. The buy range is 122.82. Breakout point is 116.97. That's a breakout buy point. And if it's below 122 and 82 cents, that is still within the buy range. As of Friday, it's still within the buy range. That's all for this week. See you next week.